Will I have a job in the next 10 years? Or even a year? It is no secret that we live in an era of changes. The 21st century has changed our lives beyond anything familiar. But experts around the world say the main change is yet to come. The current situation in the labour market makes people think seriously about the threat of mass job loss because of robots. We risk to face the fact that yet in the next 10 years, almost 90% of professional drivers will lose their jobs simply because they will not be needed. No matter what you're doing, dig a trench, a robot will dig it better. Write articles for a magazine, a robot will write them better than you. Cashiers, salespeople, get replaced with ATMs and automatic accounting systems. Now, more than half of the exchange brokers have given past their work to computer algorithms. There are robots that are able to completely replace a human in a restaurant kitchen. In China alone, the number of fully robotized production increases by a quarter annually. So what kind of work can we expect? Advanced robotics will affect both physical and mental work. During the next decade, all routine low-skilled occupations will disappear. And then policemen, doctors, miners, journalists, accountants, teachers, lawyers, and so on will lose their jobs. These and many other professions can be fully automated by the year 2040. And by 2060, artificial intelligence will be able to complete any task from those people that perform today. The rich will get richer because they own robots, and the rest will become poor. How can you protect yourself and your family from the risk of losing jobs as a result of the robotics implementation? The obvious answer: participation in the new economic evolution of the world, NEW in short. NEW is based on the participation of all people in activities of companies which provide them with services. The new consumer community includes advanced training in financial and investment literacy, personal finance management, preservation and augmentation of capital, personal growth. Crypto Unit Program gives the opportunity to become a co-owner, shareholder, and share participant of the global investment portfolio, which already includes more than 60 instruments in the investment market. It also gives the opportunity to receive bounty in the framework of the loyalty program and Profi bonus. Unlimited high profitable businesses based on the concept of multi-level crowd investing. The main mission and goal: to make at least 15% of the global population financially educated. Teach people how to create and manage their assets. When investing in assets in the company, a person becomes a co-owner with the right to participate in the management of companies within the global portfolio. Consumer with all the opportunity to purchase all the quality products at competitive discounts. An entrepreneur by attracting new customers to the company with the help of multi-level crowd investing. With the help of the Crypto Unit Program, we will be able to implement the new economic evolution of the world on our planet. One of the clearest examples of new is Haoxi village in China. Each villager is a millionaire thanks to the fact that the entire industry infrastructure, public holdings, shopping centres, and other investment projects are owned by local residents. Every year, residents get huge dividends from the projects in which they have invested. In simple terms, we can say this: they have invested, built, consume, and get dividends. The new program will give the public the opportunity to go on a completely new path of development, because within it, all people of planet Earth become co-owners of the world's most profitable and beneficial businesses and companies, creating a global corporation in the world. It will bring to the Earth peace, prosperity, wealth, unity, longevity, and health. Help clean the planet of physical waste through recycling into usable energy, and get rid of the energy waste in people's minds through the new advanced education.